The video I did yesterday showing that the PSEC will not run on 60 hertz or even 120 hertz, I also received, I'll consider it a valid criticism, while this capacity via the two aluminum blocks with the sponge in between here would be an extremely high impedance at 60 hertz. And granted, it is. But that wasn't the point of the whole thing. Anyway, what I've done here is I have brought my signal generator in again, hooked my scope across it, and we'll go up there and zoom in a minute. But here's the signal going into it. It's going directly into this AV plug that's on the power rail of the 18. You can see there's absolutely no LEDs lit whatsoever. And I'll come over here, and we're operating at 60 hertz. Our multiplier is 100. We're on 0.6 on the Verner. And I'm driving this guy as high as I can drive it. And if we look at the scope, we have a somewhat distorted sine wave of 26.4 volts peak to peak. I'm not even going to bother with the 14. I thought I'd take it as high as I can get it. And it looks like that generator isn't too clean. But anyway, we're running 26.4 peak to peak into this little fellow now, right here. Yes, it is single leaded. That's the point of the whole thing. And we go into this AV plug, and it will not work even at 24 or 26.4 peak to peak. So I hope that alleviates the question about the high impedance here. Obviously it's a high impedance, but this capacity is always used in one form or another when we're doing the PSEC, so I thought that would have been a valid demonstration. But anyway, if you don't want to take the time to do it yourself, I've done it for you again, so here it is.